Good morning, Todd. Rampe here. Today is May 18th, 2026, and I am in a Q's trade. I have 20 put option contracts with a price of $1.12 per contract. That translates into a roughly $2,200 investment. I've got my profit target plugged in at 15.7%, which is $350. We teach all of our new students to go for a 15% return because it happens very, very quickly, usually. Let me put that little footnote in there. And it's something that allows a new student to profit and build up what I refer to as your stop loss bank. That's your trading account that will cover future losses. In other words, you are trading the house's money. Now, this trade was taken with a little bit of advanced knowledge, and that's something that all new students are encouraged to participate in once they have sufficient screen time. Go to our advanced classes, learn all of the little nuances that'll put more money in your pocket. You want to learn how to do this? Go to wallstreeteducation.com. We will give you an incredible opportunity to put these charts on your computer, and the investment in the tuition is virtually painless, in my opinion, of course, based on what the value is and what you receive and how quickly you can get your investment back. So I'm waiting for the price to drop here, give us a spike in the option value, fill us, and move on to the next trade. So it's looking pretty good. There we go. Just got filled. Okay, Todd Rampe signing off, wallstreeteducation.com. I'll talk with you soon.